Integrating your Twilio account with WP Fluent Forms Pro can open a new level of advancement in your business communications. With this integration, you can start sending SMS notifications to your users without any difficulties. Let's see how you can integrate Twilio with WP Fluent Forms Pro. Firstly, log into your Twilio account and go to the dashboard. Find Account SID and Auth token and copy them for future use in your WordPress dashboard. Secondly, log into your WordPress website. Find modules from the Fluent Forms Pro sidebar menu in your WordPress dashboard. Locate Twilio and click on the Enable button to activate it. Go to Settings, locate SMS notification settings in there. Input your Twilio sender number, Account SID, and Auth token in the relevant fields, respectively. Save the settings. A confirmation notification will appear. Now, let's connect one of your forms with Twilio. From All Forms, navigate to the settings of the particular form you want to use. Open the Marketing and CRM integration settings. Click on the Add New Integration button. Select SMS Notification by Twilio integration from the list. A configuration window will open, consisting name, receivers numbers, SMS text, etc. Fill up all the fields according to your requirements. Now, click Create SMS Notification Feed to create SMS notifications. Well done! Twilio is successfully integrated with the form created with WP Fluent Forms Pro. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon.